Hi friends, let me show you my new Elgato Facecam that I bought to use it in my computer setup with my Elgato prompter, which comes you can use this with any webcam, phone or regular camera, but it is more recommended to use it with the Elgato Facecam. So you get all the instructions here, the USB cable. Here it is. It has this security feature. You can block it or open it. Okay. Now I'm going to show you how to use the Elgato prompter and the Elgato Facecam. I am preparing a podcast chapter, and this is a perfect example how to use them. First, you want to activate the prompter as an external display, as you can see. Then you open the camera hub. It's where you are going to put the text that you are going to read in the prompting session. This is the example text that comes with the Camera Hub software, but you do a new script. It's going to be called Podcast Today. And you just copy paste whatever we got from ChatGPT. Perfect. So now we're ready. We're going to install the camera, okay? The camera has this universal screw base, and the prompter has this accessory that holds different accessories, this base with these screws, so you can put the camera. So you want to screw it here, okay? So you can move it around in the vase, wherever you need it. So you see how our webcam can be used here in the prompter, but also if you don't have a prompter, you get this special accessory with the camera. You screw it here and you can install it in any laptop or any monitor depending on your needs. This opens and closes and you can move around your camera wherever you need it. So really nice option, the Facecam webcam from Elgato. Thank you.